Wideband gauges are used to measure the air-fuel ratio in the internal combustion engine of a vehicle. They are a type of air and fuel ratio gauge, also known as an AFR gauge, that was developed for greater accuracy than the previously used narrow gauge models. Installing a wideband gauge in your car provides a number of advantages, including the ability to monitor oxygen sensors, improve fuel economy, and reduce emissions. Overall, these highly accurate sensors are a godsend for anyone looking to tune a vehicle. There are numerous options if you believe your vehicle would benefit from a wideband oxygen sensor and gauge. With so many devices to choose from, determining which gauge is best for your vehicle can be difficult. Fortunately, we're here to help. We've compiled this list of the best wideband gauges on the market to assist you in making an informed decision. The first one we'll be looking at is the UEGO wideband gauge. This handy device, which features an easy-to-read LED display and a color-changing needle, makes it simple to keep track of the changes from rich to lean in your car's engine. The versatile gauge's 52mm housing allows it to fit into the majority of gauge pods. The display itself can be mounted remotely almost anywhere in the vehicle, allowing drivers or navigators to keep track of fuel ratios. Every AEM gauge has a 0 to 5 volt analog output, making it compatible with data loggers and almost any engine management system. It's highly responsive and accurate in use thanks to an internal Bosch UEGO sensor. The gauge also has interchangeable faceplates and bezels, making it simple to customize the look to match your vehicle. To get you started, the device includes everything you'll need for a simple installation, including a weld-in bung. Unfortunately, there is one potential issue with this wideband gauge kit. Some users claim it arrives dead, requiring immediate replacement. Make sure to check yours as soon as it arrives so you can get it replaced with one that works. If you don't want to be burdened by a larger heavy wideband gauge, the Autometer Ultra-Lite digital wideband gauge is an excellent choice because it is designed to be small and unnoticeable unless taking real-time readings. Everything you need for a quick installation is included in the kit, including an 8-foot wiring harness, stainless steel weld-in bung, and mounting hardware. The device outputs 0 to 4 volt and can be easily connected to data loggers, engine management systems, or laptop computers running tuning software. This high degree of adaptability allows for simple and accurate tuning. Users can also program their own specifications for lean, rich, and stoic air-fuel ratios and receive visual alerts when the reading enters each range. It's easy to calculate a vehicle's AFR thanks to a bright LED display that includes both numerical data and a sliding gauge. The one disadvantage is that the LED display can burn out over time, making it difficult to see your readings and may even lead to inaccuracies. If you're looking for a wideband gauge that's as versatile as it is affordable, the GlowShift Elite wideband gauge is a great option, and it comes in a variety of colors. It's the only option on our list with a fully analog display, so it has a vintage vibe that looks great in classic cars. This display can be customized in a variety of colors ranging from dark blue to bright purple. The brightness of the gauge can be adjusted using a handy dimmer wire to avoid distraction in low light situations. The display reads from 10.0 to 20.0 AFR, giving you the wide output range you need for precise tuning and monitoring. The kit also includes a second analog output, which is ideal for data loggers and electronic circuit units. When the AFR reaches a pre-programmed high or low point that you specify, the gauge will alert you with an audio-visual warning. Each gauge includes mounting hardware, simple installation instructions, and a 1-year limited warranty. Overall, it's a good gauge, but it's not the most precise. The precision can vary, and it may change over time. Because of its sleek and effective performance, the Innovate Motorsports wideband gauge is a highly value-packed product. The handy device, which uses patented direct digital technology, can display a vehicle's air-to-fuel ratio with precision and speed. For maximum accuracy, the gauge can also calibrate your car's O2 sensor. The device has two adjustable linear 0 to 5 volt outputs that can send data to a data logger or engine management system. The kit includes everything you'll need to get started, including a weld-on bung, programming cable, sensor cable, and a full manual for simple installation. The remote sensor, which has a bright LED display, is easy to read once installed. Drivers praise the gauge's accuracy and dependability, as well as its ease of installation. It's an excellent choice for drivers who want to monitor their fuel ratio and perform precise tuning. The only possible flaw is in the instructions. Because you won't receive paper instructions, you'll have to go online to figure out how to install it. What is the most useful feature of the AEMX series wideband gauge? It's the display, as well as the eye-catching modern faceplate. The 7-segment center display allows for easy reading on the go, and X digital technology allows the device to measure a wide range of outputs that other sensors cannot. Its display is actually 87% larger than other options on the market for ease of use, allowing drivers and navigators to get an accurate reading as quickly as possible. The gauge has a 0 to 5V output port for accurate data logging regardless of the device or engine management system used. The gauge provides drivers with a safe, powerful, and accurate tune thanks to its impressive response time. Users said the device warmed up much faster than many other options on the market. Keep in mind that if you have any problems with the device's sensor, you won't be able to get it replaced because it isn't covered by the manufacturer's warranty.